everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to have a same-day tour to some of the unexplored coastal belt of Bengal, at least unexplored to me. Itinerary is like this. Wake up early, pack some breakfast and start early. We always prefer to start early to avoid traffic. First drive straight to Kolaghat. Well, before Kolaghat bridge and meet with other folks of our group beside a roadside dhaba. Then after taking 15 minutes break, drive together to Kontai and finally take help of the map to find our way to reach destination. As per our research, last few kilometers will be narrow to extreme narrow and may need to negotiate hard with traffic. Our first point is Daryapur Lighthouse and then Bakiput, finally Baguran Jalpai. I have heard that Bakiput smells fishy. However, I am going to take a chance because I never explored Bakiput. Bagurang Jalpai is now Facebook buzz and popular topic for discussion. Let's now see how good Bagurang Jalpai looks like in reality. Just before Kolaghat, we stopped at this dhaba beside National Highway 16 for having tea. After having tea, we again started our journey with full enthusiasm. Hey, please stop the car. I want to have some green coconut. And here is my Superman driver having his green coconut. Very nice. Mama, have it. Have it.
Take the next left onto Kapil-Kundala Mandir Road.
As per the order of our Google auntie, we are turning left. Daryapur Lighthouse is 0.9 kilometers from here, that is 900 meters. So we almost reached our first destination, Daryapur Lighthouse. And we reached lighthouse. This is lighthouse. Oh no, it is locked. We missed our opportunity to climb up the lighthouse. The security guard uncle is sleeping inside. Sitting and sleeping. So moving back to our car, my Superman driver is ready. Now we are moving towards Junput Sea Beach. Beautiful roadside view. Previously, I forgot to tell that we reached Daryapur Lighthouse approximately at 9 am. Now we have reached Junput Sea Beach. We are going up to see the view of the beach and the sea. Moving up. And here I can see the sea and the beach. Wow, it's beautiful. Nice. This beach is quite muddy type, so we are not going down. Sea is also quite far away from here. Beautiful. This place is quite stinky because the processing of fish is done over here. So we are not going to spend too much time over here. We are moving back. Now we are moving to our final destination, our main attraction, Baburang Jalpai Sea Beach. Take a right turn from this signboard. Here it is written Sagar Nirale Guest House. This road is very much narrow over here. It is very difficult to give pass even to a motorbike. And if you are very unfortunate, then some car might come from opposite side and you may get stuck. For getting freshen up and for parking our car, we have already spoken with the owner of Sagar Nirale Guest House and he has allowed us, but his only condition is that we have to pack some food from him. So let's see what we can pack from him. Now we are entering the guest house premises. Here is the gate and we are entering inside the hotel. Wow, it's a nice place, nice arrangements. See how beautiful is the hotel. It's a very nice place to spend one day and night over here. Wow, nice one. After the pandemic gets over, we will definitely plan an overnight stay in this guest house. See, the kids are enjoying. Mama, give me, give. We are now moving towards the sea beach. We are not taking our car because the road is very narrow over here. And the distance of the sea beach from the hotel is only 500 meters. But if you want, you can take your car and drive up to the sea beach. Hello friends.
I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn.
And here is coming my Superman. And finally we reached the sea beach. Wow, it's beautiful. I can see the sea. Wow.
I must admit I was relieved, 'cause I never wanna play happy families with you.
Really, it's a lonely sea beach. I can see only a few people roaming around. Now here I can see few stalls. Only 3 stalls are here. See friends? Totally lonely place. Very nice. It's a really virgin sea beach. This sea beach is full of red crabs, but I cannot capture them because they are super fast in hiding. Now we have to walk almost 300 meters to reach the sea. It is far away from here. So we are walking. These ripple marks are done by the sea waves during high tides. So beautiful they are looking. One thing friends, this sea beach is very hardy. So if you want to enjoy your motorbike riding, you can do it over here. We have almost reached the sea. Few more steps are there. See, my daughter has already started playing. She is enjoying a lot. It's happy me. And here I got an alive snail. One red crab in half dead situation. After spending 2 hours in the sea beach, we have come back in the guest house. Now we are going to pack some fish fries from here and then we will return back. Finally, we are returning back. This time I have not given any path suggestion because there is only one way to reach Baburang Jalpai Sea Beach, what our Google auntie has suggested. So, if you still want that which path we have followed, so I have given the link in the description box. You can check it out from there. OMG! See friends, I have spotted a highly upgraded Thor with highly upsized wheel. See? Before entering Kolkata, we have stopped here for having a tea break. This is Sher Bengal Hotel. Nice tea and coffee are available over here. If you want to know the location of this place, I have given the link of the location on map in the description box. You can check it out from there. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Do give a thumbs up, comment if any from your side, and please share my video. Bye bye.